bagay tayo pagdadaanan na nakakalungkot. So, sana hindi naman ganun kalala, no? Sana, ba't sa kahit ano pa, niloko niyo siya. Sana maliit na bagay lang yan. Pero kung kunwari may pinagdadaanan kayo today, no? Na medyo malaki. Remember, lahat yan answers to one God. It answers to our Maker. All we need to remember is our Maker is good and our God is holy. So, kung naniniwala tayo, mahal niya tayo. He wants good things for us. So, hindi niya original plan yung nangyayari ngayon. So we live in a broken world, but we have a whole God. We have a holy God. So, pwede tayong, you know this song, this next song, is a testimony that the Lord is good no matter what. Because bless niya ako with this song, He chose me to write this song so that He can speak to many people that He loves. And during that time, hindi ako worthy kasi hindi ako faithful. Now that I see it through His eyes, there is a tenderness about Him that I have come face to face with. So, I'd like to share with you my version of this song that I wrote many years ago, but this time I bear it with a heart that loves the Lord. So,